In this video, the Bitcoin price is right now gearing up for another massive move. And take a look at this, guys. We are currently having an ongoing altcoin season. But the question is, what is next for the altcoin season market? Stay tuned to know more. Welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba, sa ating previous analysis, what we were monitoring was this bearish divergence forming within the early time frame. Pero diba sabi ko sa inyo, since nagkaroon tayo na maraming buy volume in the early time frame, then we are going to expect more consolidation rather than a bearish movement. And look at that, guys, it's actually playing out exactly as predicted. So congratulations, guys, if you have been monitoring that closely. But right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price action? So right now, if we're going to zoom out of the hourly, you can actually see that we are now currently forming a descending or falling channel. So this is more likely a continuation pattern. So this is just more likely a continuation lang within this area. And we are not going to see a massive move, not unless we break the certain support and resistance area. Because if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, we can see na we are potentially forming a bull pennant. And a bull pennant is a continuation pattern to the upside. So if we're going to get the pole and then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout, then this can actually take us of around up to, let's see kung ano yung target natin dito. This can take us around to $50,000 or roughly 49.8K to be exact. So that is what I am right now monitoring with the Bitcoin price, especially with this movement. But since we are also seeing a falling channel, ano ba yung traditional target ng falling channel? So ang traditional target nito is actually by getting the top of the channel. So the top of the channel is going to be our technical target of this falling channel. And then if let's say nagkaroon tayo ng bearish breakout, if let's say this breaks bearish, then we are just going to get the height. Then lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout. In that case, ito yung mga possible scenarios natin with the Bitcoin price. So ang ating bullish scenario would be, number one, our first target would be around the $48,000 if we break bullish. And then our last and final target would be around the, siguro around the $50,000. Pero we can actually set a take profit area around the $49,000. Just in case na, let's say, hindi tayo tumuloy-tuloy, just always remember to take profit along the way if, let's say, we see a bullish breakout. And remember, in order for us to confirm a move, we must have a candle close with buy volume in order for us to confirm this bullish movement. Now, that is the best case scenario. Ano ba yung worst case scenario natin? So, the worst case scenario is if let's say na break natin yung itong support, then we might actually continue to the downside following this, itong target na ginawa natin, which is actually the height of the channel. So, in this case, if we break bearish, then our target would be around the 45.8K, and that is playing around the 50 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. So, that is a good support area, and that is only going to happen if you're going to see the worst case scenario. Now, that is also a shorting opportunity if, let's say, we broke bearish, or other people will say that this could be a buying opportunity for you to buy the dip. Because look at this, 50 MA is now going to act as a strong support area for the Bitcoin price, because if you're going to look back in time, you're getting a lot of support within those areas. So right now, that is what I'm currently monitoring with the Bitcoin price. Bullish scenario is 48, 49, as well as $50,000. And then bearish scenario would be the 45.8K. So that is what I'm currently monitoring with the Bitcoin price. Pero let's see, guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin tapos gusto nyo mag-practice pa lang ng mag-long or short, one of the best places you can actually trade or short Bitcoin is actually with Xness. And dito kay Xness, you can actually make a demo account. And madali lang gumawa dito ng demo account, guys. All you have to do is just to sign up dito kay Xness. And then pag nakapag-sign up na kayo, you can now go to My Accounts. And then you can actually create or open a new account. So let's say gusto mo gumawa ng demo account. All you have to do is just to click open a new account. And then, just click try demo. And then, ayan o, gagawa na kayo ng demo account. Just click demo, MT5, and then yung ano yung maximum leverage nyo. And then, nakagandahan dito kay Xness is you can actually trade of up to 2,000x leverage kay Xness. So, if let's say, ganun kalaki ka magsugal, then you can actually practice dito kay Xness if you just want to try it out lang naman. And then, let's say, gusto mo maging milyonaryo ng, kung haring milyonaryo dito sa demo account, you can actually also set a starting balance. So, let's see, ang gusto mong starting balance would be around $1 million, then pwede yun. Iset nyo lang siya dito. I know, $1 million. And then let's see, this is my demo account. So let's say Tristan demo account. And then you can set any password na gusto mo ilagay. Mag-set lang tayo na random password dito with our demo account. So, and pag nakapag-setup na kayo ng demo account, create an account lang. And then as you can see, ayun na yung ating demo account. So, as you can see, ganun lang kabilis gumawa ng demo account dito with Xness. And then, pwede nyo siya actually trade na ngayon if let's say gusto nyo na mag-practice ng trading dito kay Xness. So, if you want to sign up with Xness and if you want to claim bonus with Xness, just use my sign up link that you can find in the description down below. Now, that is for the Bitcoin price. Now, let's dive into the altcoin market kasi look at this. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is rapidly declining and this means na we are currently seeing an altcoin season. Now, take note, whenever the Bitcoin dominance is increasing, that would indicate Bitcoin is performing better and altcoins are going to bleed. Pero if the dominance is declining, then that is going to indicate na altcoins are performing better than Bitcoin. Kasi this would mean more people are selling Bitcoin and then they are now reinvesting to the altcoin market. So right now, let's dive into the altcoin market and let's see where are we headed with the altcoin market. So with that being said, siguro let's dive into some altcoins lang, such as Ethereum. So as you can see right now, Ethereum is also getting up for another massive move. As you can see, we are currently seeing another symmetric triangle with Ethereum. So this could be a swing tradable opportunity. So right now, this is what I am currently monitoring if we are going to break this massive support and resistance with Ethereum. Kasi if we break this, then we are just going to get the height of Ethereum. Itong symmetric triangle, then lagyan natin sa possible point of breakout. Then we might see around $3,540 of target with Ethereum. But if this breaks bearish, then we are actually going to get the height. Then lagyan natin sa possible point of breakout. Then as you can see, we can actually target around $3,242. So you actually monitor right now with the Ethereum price action. So take note, this is a 50-50 move. So always remember to wait for a breakout as well as with volume. So that is what I'm currently monitoring with Ethereum. Now let's dive into this next altcoin na aking monitor right now kasi isa to sa mga sinabi ng mga friends ko dito na about to Rune. And as you can see, we're actually seeing a symmetric triangle with Rune. And as you can see, we are currently breaking out. So right now, we are seeing a bullish scenario playing out dito kay Rune. And as you can see, we can actually get the height dito. Then lagay natin sa possible point of breakout. Then that would indicate na ating target for Rune would be around, by checking out this movement is around $13.1. So right now, yun yung aking technical target with Rune, especially na nakita tayo ng buy volume during this breakout. So that's what I am currently monitoring with Rune. Now may nag-request din, which is actually Zil. Ang laki doon na inakit ni Zil. So if you're going to look at this, Zil actually came off from a falling wedge breakout. Or tingnan nyo to guys. Meron tayong falling wedge sa ating weekly time frame na na-break natin. So that would indicate na ating technical target for Zil would be the top of the wedge, which is around the previous high. And that is playing around the 0.23 cents. So that would indicate na ating technical target for Zil is around 0.23 cents. And ayun na nga guys, papunta na tayo dun sa target na yun, indicating na we are right now entering a take profit area with Zil. Kasi look at this, we are getting overbought with Zil in the weekly time frame. We are also overbought within the shorter time frames. And also, na-meet na din natin yung target, or we are about to meet the target dito sa ating weekly time frame with Zil. So right now, we are indicating na we are at a take profit area na nga kay Zil. So that is what I'm currently monitoring with Zil. And now, let's dive into SLP. So SLP, I think not much to talk about pa din dito kasi look at this. After playing out this bearish divergence exactly, you can see na we are now forming. I think we are just playing a sideways action dito, more of a consolidation dito kay SLP. So as you can see, we have a support and resistance area forming with SLP within the 0.019 cents up until 0.022 cents area. So right now, yun yung nakikita nating support and resistance kay SLP. And if you're going to zoom out, that is also the similar support and resistance kay SLP. But let's try to dive in with the daily time frame. As you can see, kay daily time frame, we are now actually testing this resistance nitong 100-day moving average. And 100-day moving average is a very crucial resistance. Kasi look at this. If you're going to look back in time, itong 100-day moving average was a crucial resistance. Look at this. Look at this, guys. We got rejected once. We got rejected twice. And then right now, we are currently testing that same resistance. So right now, this is going to be a massive opportunity. Because if let's see, you're going to see sell volume dito, then this is going to be a massive shorting opportunity with SLP. Pero if let's see, nakita tayo ng buy volume upon this bullish breakout kay SLP, then we can actually open a long position dito. Then ang magiging target natin kay SLP would be the 200-day moving average, which is actually playing around the previous resistance of $0.038. So take note of the bullish and bearish scenario dito. If we get buy volume, our target would be the 200 moving average in the daily time frame. But if we get sell volume, our first target would be around is 0.017, and then our last and final target would be around siguro 0.012 US dollars dito kay SLP. So that is what I'm right now monitoring with SLP. So ayun muna siguro update natin for the time being, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.